Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm with some of my friends on the way for Zemeki inauguration. 5-6 of us is here, and we'll take whatever clips, get whatever function and whatever items ready to show you all. This is our first Zemeki, and it's a great achievement. We're going to celebrate. Many of our church members will be turning up with our traditional touch, traditional attire. So hope to see you all, and we'll keep you updated. Thank you. And the grapher is here finally for the first.
See you there.
Yeah. Hello guys, we have finally reached the spot. I almost forgot to take this video.
Welcome to
People are
Zemeki.
walking behind here, and this is the building.
Hornbill
Then we're
apartment
going to
yan
go back. Welcome to Hornbill apartment. Hello guys, we have reached, and
We're gonna start the program within 30 seconds. Hi, Samba.
hello sir.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I'm good too.
Ready to celebrate, right?
We're gonna start the program, so if anyone of you are already here, scattering, you can come in. And I would, if every one of you are going to be outside the gates,
Hello bro. Hello. Hello, see you again. Hello là hello. Hello. Hey bro, okay bro. Tay Milo. We're eating now. Yo. These are the items. Misi kau deh. Yes, item is very good. So we're taking a picture. Church is hard, bro.
Mine's in the building inauguration. Say, they were calling it to see, you know that? See, that they know any?
There. Huh? Dễ mà nó cái lắm thì nó đấy. Dễ mà dễ mà đây. Đúng nhỉ? Cảm ơn luôn của tôi đây. Nó miếng này apa dia screen này. Ngó tờ lưng cho xong lắm mà. Đâu. Đây chờ nó lấy tờ lưng thôi. Tính toán này tên gì gì còn à? What happened, Jojo? You needed something?
Perlin lang kasi dia.
Mina vai que vamos lá? Yeah. Oh, like another rồi. Yeah. No, Pastor told me to take now. You come and stay in your room again, Ren.
Already.
Oh.
Someone already.
Oh, you're already earning. Thank you, no. Hi.
This green tea, okay? Green tea.
Chalo.
Lemon tea, lemon
Thank you, no. Con ơi đó. Sao mà đi con ơi đó. No.
Thank you. Oh, not giving, huh?
Oh, thanks.
Not giving, huh? She won't do it so much, I think.
Thank you. Hello.
Yes, we're taking video, you put less.
Pagila ano
Kayo rin, may second trip mo.
Tingilo pa na. Tingilo na. Tingilo. Videographer. Tingilo na. Everything. Thank you. Yeah, it will. 가장 난 두 비디오 깎았거든.
YouTuber na tayo.
Still many more. 10 kilo po na. 가운데. My friend is calling to eat, so I'm going to go and eat. Thank you, no, bro. Thank you, bro.
So called, this is lemon tea.
Lemon tea. Yeah. This boy is drinking. Nang yung tayo na kwari no, ibaluta wang de.
We're coming for you or for the for two of them. Chalo.
Okay. Hi there. Hornbill về tới lệ. Quang giang ngồi sang là tới lệ. Oh my god.
Không qua. Chalo, thank you. Mana dah? Thank you doa.
Cảm ơn thế thế.
Nah, jadi dah. Hoi.
New building inauguration plan ni kini. Boleh share dah tau.
Let's see. You are still not going to eat. You're gonna eat now? Taken so many.
As this little compared to my plate.
Thank you, thank you. Then go around there. Nothing on that.
Mapak malay. Mapak
Biggest feast. Thank you, Zemeki. I don't want to show your plate. Tuna, any comment?
Mare komentar.
Sasa, kena hai dengan ni bro. Thôi đi, đang so hai này.
Ako na loy re.
The cook is asking an honest review on how the food tastes. That doesn't sound perfect, yeah? Acha, so you're not eating pork, nah?
Very good. Food is really good.
Start attacking. Find his own mouth.
Regina, eat one piece of buff. Show us your capacity. Yeah, choosing the smallest. You're not gonna eat pork, or you're eating pork or not?
Meat.
Okay. Why you don't eat meat? Huh? Tell me why you don't eat meat. Huh? It's okay, say.
Mom.
Your mom. Your mom doesn't allow you to eat meat?
Your mom.
My mom? That's not possible. What about you? What you're eating? What you're eating today? Huh?
Some meat that's
What is that meat? Is it pork or beef or what? Buff?
I think it's pork.
What? Tell me.
I think it's pork.
Pork, yeah? And what about Ilya?
It's not good.
Oh, really? Do you like it? But why you guys are eating with spoon? You guys should have with your hand, nah?
I don't like it. Camera.
Really? Are you guys should enjoy with your hand.
What is pork?
Buff is buffalo. Buffalo meat.
Do
you know? Huh?
Why are you eating?
Me? Because I'm filming you guys now. I don't want to miss this opportunity. Next time, once the party is over, everything is over. I don't want that. This is not. I don't like this plate. This plate is not tasty. This is better. This is much better. This plate is better. Yeah. Same. Now I'm gonna follow you. Come on. Yeah. Vino, I'm back.
Every time don't call my name.
I missed that.